Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to copy over your video clips and your screenshots from your PS4 to your PlayStation 5 using a USB drive like this. So I'm going to plug this into the front USB slot. Then I want to go ahead and copy over my screenshots and video clips. So I'm going to go on over to Library right here, select this, then go down to Applications and go over to the Capture Gallery. Then go to Start right here. Now, find the games that you want to go ahead and copy over, or you can go to All. So I'm just going to go to All, then press Options, and then go to Copy to USB Storage, and you can select the items. Otherwise, you can go to Select All right here. Now, that is probably going to take way too long for me to copy over everything, so I'm going to only copy over a few of them. So let's just copy over these 3 screenshots on top, and then go to Copy. Now, this is how it's going to organize everything on your USB drive. It's going to be in the PS4 folder, share folder, screenshots, or if they're video clips, they're going to be in the video clips folder. So let's go to OK. And it's copying everything over right now. Now everything should be on my USB flash drive. And we can always double check this or format it by going up to Settings, then going to Devices right here, go to USB storage device. And here is my flash disk right here. I'm going to select it. Now we can press Options and we can format as exFAT. So if it's unrecognized by your PS4, come to this section and format it as exFAT, and you should be able to copy over video clips and screenshots to it. Now let's eject this and then bring it over to my PS5. Now to transfer over your video clips, you actually want to go to Sharefactory Studios, and then we can open up the media gallery later on to view them. So to transfer them, go on over to Game Library right here, locate Sharefactory. So let's find it. So here it is. Open this up and make sure your USB drive is plugged in. Then press R1 and go over to the toolbox and then go to import videos if you're importing videos, or images right here. Or you do have the option for music. So I'm going to go to import videos. Then I'm going to go to import from USB. Then select your video clips you want to transfer over. So I'm going to select this one and this one. Then press square to import them. And it's going to transfer them from the USB drive to your PlayStation 5 now. And you should be able to see them in the Capture Gallery now. So I'm going to back out. Or I can hold down the Share button and then go to the Capture Gallery right here. Go to the Media Gallery. And you can see the video clips I just transferred over. They're currently uploading to the cloud. So this one's 7 seconds. This one's 5 seconds. And then you can select them and then play them. And you can go ahead and favor them or anything like this. So this one is from my PlayStation 4, so I can go to More, and then I can go to where it says Information, and I can see the information about it. So this one's in 1920 by 1080p, and it says it's imported Call of Duty. Now, if you don't transfer them over via Sharefactory, you can just view them under USB. You can go to PS4, go to Share under here, then Video Clips, and you can see your video clips in this section. And there is no way that you can actually transfer them over from your PlayStation to your PS5 via the USB section right here. You have to do it through Sharefactory. So here's all my screenshots as well. So if I press Options on them, all it does is say Information, and I'm not able to transfer it. So you have to do it in Sharefactory. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.